Hey, it's just me, the Tech Guy again, and today I'll be reviewing the Logitech G11 keyboard, which is obviously made by Logitech, and in this review I'll be saying if I think you should buy it, how much it is, the price is $70, and what score I give it, and I'll get into that later. But let's talk about the keyboard. Alright, well first of all, the keyboard obviously lights up, a pretty blue color, but I think you could get it in purple if you want to. I'm not sure. But the thing that separates this from the Logitech G15 is the G15 right here has a screen that comes up that tells you the time, the day, and what game you're playing, I believe. But this one, it just has volume control and then your media buttons. And my screen just came on. But, okay. And everything lights up on here. Some of the buttons are orange, like that one. It looks kind of yellow, but it's orange. That's just the camera. And okay, according to the box, everything lights up, but it doesn't really look like it does on the box, but don't worry about it. Everything does light up, every button. Even the light button itself and the mute button. Yes, you can control the lighting. There's 3 settings: off, low, and high. But okay, one of the main things that makes this gaming keyboard, yes, that's what it is, it's a gaming keyboard. One of the things that makes it great is there are 18 programmable G keys, that's what they call them. They're macro keys, and you could map them to whatever you want. Like if you're playing an MMO, you can map them to whatever spell or whatever thing you want to do. But I don't really play that many MMOs. I play Anarchy online because it's free, but I don't really play anything else. And these I don't use that much, but I do a little bit in Anarchy, but they work fine, you know, it's what they do. And to record one of these, you hit macro record. Let's say I want to put something in G6, so that button's going to flash. And let's say I want to open Windows Task Manager. I'm going to Control Alternate Delete, and that's what it's going to do. Now I just turn this off. Now whenever I hit G6, that is going to come up, and my Task Manager just came up, but that doesn't have anything to do with anything. And yes, I am in Windows on this computer, not Linux like I do on my laptop. But okay, that's the basic overview of this keyboard. Now it does have 2 USB ports, but they are USB port 1.1, I think, or 1.0. So if you plug like an iPod or a external hard drive into it, they're not going to work because of that, because they don't have enough power to work it, I guess. Now that is a terrible downfall, I think, because there's no point in having them if they're not USB 2.0, and it's just stupid, I think, to not let it be USB 2.0. Now what do I think about the quality of this keyboard is probably what you're wondering. It's a sturdy keyboard. It's pretty heavy. It's not going anywhere. Now when I first opened it, I thought the volume control, it felt a little bit not high quality, but and then these buttons, they still don't really feel that high quality. But after I got it, this seemed to, I don't know, sturdy up a little bit. Feels a lot more high quality now. And then it also has this gaming key, which is what a lot of people like. Which I don't really have a problem with this, but some people, whenever they're playing a game, like a lot of people use WSAND to walk around, and then they hit the Windows button sometimes accidentally instead of hitting alternate or control. So what they do is hit that, and then their game minimizes, which sucks. But yeah, that's what this does. Whenever you turn that on, hit the Windows key, nothing happens on my screen. Yeah, it works fine. You know, it does what it does. It works fine. But okay, that's the keyboard. That's what it does, and it's available for $70. Do I think it's worth that price, and what score do I give it? Okay, I'd have to say I give this a 8.5 is worth. I think that's what it's worth. 8.5 is what the score is. The reason I don't give it a 10 or a 9.5 is because the USB ports are not 2.0, which that brings it down a lot because of that. Now the keys, they are quiet. That's one of my favorite things about it. But besides that, besides the USB ports, everything's perfect on it. Now, do I think you should buy it? If you're a gamer, I would buy it. But if you're just a basic user and you don't really need a keyboard with a bunch of extra programmable keys, I wouldn't buy it. Like, if you want the light up, Razer makes a light up keyboard, and I'm sure Logitech actually has a lower model that doesn't have the G keys, but it still lights up. And if you're not a gamer, I wouldn't get this one, but I'm a gamer, casual gamer. But alright, well, if you are a gamer, I would buy it, but that's what I think about it. And it's just me, the tech guy. Subscribe and tell your friends if they're gamers or computer people. And I will see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.